Alright guys, welcome back to Kuroji Gaming. Today I'm working on a 2010 Kia Soul Plus. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright, this is what I got. See the front bumper got damaged right there. So I'm gonna have to sand that down and repaint it, clear coat it. But this is a real problem right here. The strut got damaged. The tie rod got damaged. See, it's supposed to look like that, but it turned into a big old U. So I marked it right there. So when I take this one out, I'm just gonna put the new one right where it's marked. Control arm, I believe got damaged as well. So I just gotta loosen one of the bolts here, that bolt there, and then down here is just you loosen this one, and then the control arm comes off. For the strut, we just gotta go open the hood, and there's one bolt up there, and then these two right here. Just take those off, and I think that's it. So we're gonna replace the strut, control arm, and that tie rod end, and then the wheel set back to where it's supposed to be. Because right now I had to loosen the tie rod end because it was, every time I moved it back or forth, it would, because it's so damaged, it would grind the wheel against the body of the vehicle. So yeah, I'll do that. And I got all the new pieces right here. It should be pretty simple. It's all bolt on. So as long as I put it all back together. See, that's that bolt that goes up at the top by the engine bay for the strut. So it's one bolt. And then these two bolts here. And the control arm's fairly simple as well. And then this, you just loosen it for the tie rod end and put the new one on. And then for the fender, I have here, I'm just gonna sand it down and get it nice and smooth, and then I'll paint it. But it's got this little hole right there. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some sheet of fiberglass and some resin on the back, and then in the front I'm just gonna put some Bondo putty to make it nice and smooth, and then I'll primer it, and then I'll put the base coat and clear coat the whole thing. So it should come out pretty nice. I already got the piece, the little I don't know what it is. It's like a little flare looking thing, but I'll put that thing on, and it's a plastic piece. I have it on the floor over there. But I'm gonna get to work, guys, and I'll let you know how it goes. But if you guys have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll let you know how I did it. It's pretty simple. So all those bolts that I showed you guys is pretty much it.